Okay, within all the sports pages, because we still have to redraw a lot of these images, I think for now, so that we can get the site up and working and using, we'll just, on every page, we'll start off, as you see up here, AFL. Obviously each sport will change. The images will change from the ones you remove from the website on New Zealand website, depending on the sport. And we will keep this section about products. We'll remove the images, and we'll keep design and process, and that will make up the bulk of the website for now. And then once that's up and running, we'll start drawing the images and inserting them section by section. These arrows all over the site should work properly, like the first homepage one. For example, if I click on that arrow now, that should take me down somewhere about here, and there should be another arrow here, and then if I click on that, that will show me the rest of the page. So the same thing applies if I go to another sport, badminton. I should see these images here, which is great. Then I come down, I should see products. Shouldn't see any clothing images for badminton. Then I should see design and process. And actually, to be honest, I'm thinking that within each sports page we shouldn't have any images. So I think what we should do is get rid of this browse section and just have under products have a list of these products. So bang, 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 maybe even this way. Alright, and maybe just a single image of each product along here. So you've got 8 images here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So maybe we need 13 images, or whatever amount of images is here, and then we'll just put a picture of a product. Doesn't have to be all of these products, and then that way these pages will be complete. So let's do that for now, and that'll finish that off. Let's go back to the home page for a minute. Then we click on this arrow. This doesn't work, or should work. The logos are fine. Click down here. These 6 images are no good. We will have to give you 6 new images. So I will do that, and the rest is fine. Obviously none of these features all work. So now I'm going to go to the design center, and my comments regarding the design center are these. Firstly, when you come here and you click on design center, you should be asked to choose a product and possibly sport, or just choose a product, and then you select your product type, and then depending on which product you check, this image comes here. And then maybe, for example, like in AFL, so you're getting error messages, maybe like in AFL, hopefully that works. Yep. Okay, so maybe like in AFL, then once you've chosen the product, you get a selection of designs, and maybe you have arrows like that, which can take you through, or like that, which can take you through one by one different designs, so you can choose the design that you want. I think that could minimize the amount of products that you have to draw, and also make it more user friendly. So getting back to the design center, we will have choose a product. Once you choose the product, for example, AFL jersey, then this image will appear. Maybe there are arrows here, and you can choose different AFL products. So firstly, that's good. The video you've made here is good, but it needs sound, and obviously we would like the video not showing all this other information, just be a complete screen capture of the actual screen, none of your Skype logos and all of that appearing. Once I go into the I've chosen my product. I've selected this one. Actually, before we go there, this is all good. If you need something different, we can custom design an item for you. Email us and we can assist. That's good. I think that this warning message that you have over here, so from warning to prosecuted, should go maybe here, alright, or should be in here, and then this is a bit lower. Okay, so once you've chosen your product, you go in. Maybe we should have somewhere along here the stage that we are in, and show the process stage. So you've got 1, choose product, 2, choose product, select style, then add color to the collar, body, stripes, add text, add logo, save and download. So I come in here, I choose my colors for the collar. I notice that this isn't working properly. Go to the body, try to change the color. None of it seems to be working. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong. Go to stripes again. None of them seem to be working. Add text. That's working. Bold. Text is okay to go up to 40. Choose the font. Obviously we need to probably load some more fonts, but we'll put them in for now. And then click add. I've put it in. Beautiful. The one thing I notice, if you notice over on the far right over here, the X is showing here. It should be much closer to the actual text. Now I'm going to change the color of the text, which works, and I'm going to add a second text, or I'm just going to go to the back now and add a number. And I'm going to make the number bigger, and I make it bold, and I'm also going to put it white. And now I'm trying to find it, and you can see it's hidden over here. It should automatically go on the back, and again that X factor should be there. Now 40 is not big enough for a number. We need the number to maybe be going up to about 80, so it's about double the size of that. And one thing also I noticed when I change the color of the back text, and sometimes these boxes aren't disappearing easily, the front text also changed, so that's no good. Beastwear logo should follow the color selected here or here, so perhaps should be white, or perhaps in this case should be green. This Beastwear logo is not required, and it should be here a lot smaller, just across the front. And on all garments it should be either here, or on the left chest, or on the right chest. In the case of shorts, and it should be on the bottom edge of the leg. In the case of pants, it should be about thigh height. So we don't need this second line at the bottom, just the word Beastwear. And then adding the logo, I'm going to choose my file. Just go to pictures. Yeah, I'm going to add my file, open, I'm going to place it. Okay, there's no option to expand the size of the logo. Oh yes, maybe there is, sorry. Yep, there is, but again needs to be much bigger. And you know, perhaps some customers like to have it on the side, and then some people also like to have that image on the front. So there's no option for the placement of which location. I'm not sure why we have these things here, so get rid of it. Once you get to this stage, you save this download. I think there should be an email option where the customer emails this to themselves, and before they can get a copy or save and download, that they need to be emailed this reference. So they send this, save this email. It should say save and email a copy. it saves